How to view and manage form submissions in WordPress dashboard. Easy Form Builder. Do you want to track and manage all your form submissions right inside your WordPress dashboard without third-party tools or external logins? With Easy Form Builder, you can collect, view, and respond to form entries directly from your admin panel, securely, efficiently, and for free. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to access, search, and respond to form submissions using the built-in submission panel. Let's get started. Once a user fills out and submits a form on your website, the entry is automatically saved in your dashboard. You can access all submissions by going to the Easy Form Builder panel and clicking on the form you want to manage. There, you'll see a complete list of responses submitted through that form. Click on any message to open it. You'll see the full details submitted by the user. You can also reply directly, either by typing a message or uploading a file. If you've enabled email notifications during form setup, your response will automatically be emailed to the user, keeping the communication seamless. Want more control over how notifications work? Go to Form Settings, and under Email Notification Content, choose one of the following options. Send the confirmation code and access link only, or send the full message content along with the link SPGHEX. Now let's talk admin access. If you want to make sure that only logged-in admins can access or respond to form submissions, you can enable restricted access. From the Form Builder panel, open Settings, go to the Response tab, and turn on Form Admins can access the response box after logging in. This ensures message replies remain secure and under your control. Using Easy Form Builder's admin panel to manage form submissions helps boost site immersion and time on site, improve your support and follow-up process, and even enhance your site's SEO by increasing user engagement. No plugins, no integrations, no coding. Everything happens inside your WordPress dashboard. So, if you're ready to take control of your form entries, start using Easy Form Builder today and experience how easy form management can be. And don't forget, like this video, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what feature you want us to cover next.